Joyeros, what's up? We are in Pescadero today, and my client is renovating a home that's going to be on Airbnb. So I want to kind of walk you through this. We're going to have a nice video on this one, but I want to show you some things that they've done to update the property. You have the pool area right here that was added, and let's go up to the rooftop and kind of show you. This was light renovations for the project, but this is going to be a Airbnb machine. Show you where this is located. I have a before video of this property too, so it's just been, you know, paint, add in the pool area, but this will do very well. Still see they're kind of doing a lot of things. That is the modern Elder Academy right there. Put it in perspective, you have all this right here. Look at that view. We are in Pescadero. So I'd say 20% of the value of this house has been invested, 20% of the purchase price, to make this well-used dollars. It's been cool to see this one. And we got our photographer and videographer out here to take video and photo, because it'll be going up live on Airbnb probably in the next 2 weeks. So I'll quit talking and let you guys get to the video here. If you need anything in the area, feel free to reach out. Hope everybody is having a beautiful day.